answering your questions about retirement. It's Money Talk with Michael Eastham.
I'm 64, single and retired. Most of my money is in my IRA, and I'm considering converting it to a Roth. Is that a good idea? If so, what's the best way to do it? I have enough savings to live on until I begin Social Security at 66 and a half, so I don't need to withdraw from my IRA.
All right, well, you're in one of those income sweet spots that I like to refer to because you're in a situation where you're retired, your income needs are reasonable, and you have savings that you're using to cover your expenses. So you got a couple years before you hit 66 and a half to start Social Security. Here's what that means. That means that with the standard deduction being around $15,000 or so, then you could actually take some money out of your IRA, convert it to a Roth IRA, and possibly not pay a dime in taxes. That's huge. That's the best of both worlds in a lot of situations because you spent all of your life saving money, getting a tax deduction for putting money into your IRA, having it grow tax deferred, and now possibly if you do the conversion, the partial conversion the right way, you may be able to do some conversions and not pay any taxes on it. Now you get it into the Roth account, and of course it grows tax-free, and there are no required minimum distributions. When you take that money out, even the growth, as long as you meet certain qualifications, even that growth is not going to be taxable. So there's definitely some great opportunity for you between now and the time you start Social Security. But I would even argue between the time you start Social Security and the time you hit required minimum distribution age, you've got some good planning opportunities to try to do those partial or full Roth conversions along the way and really benefit from paying minimal or no taxes on those conversions. Now, I will tell you, every situation's different. And just because the Roth has those tax benefits that I mentioned, being tax-free growth and no RMDs and tax-free distributions, it doesn't mean that it works for everyone. Every situation's a little different, and I'd encourage you to reach out because for our clients, one of the things we love to do is to help them make a determination about whether a Roth conversion makes sense in their particular situation. Thanks again for that question. Look forward to speaking with you soon.